Today, I am reviewing HP 21.5-inch all-in-one desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a sleek, all-in-one desktop that combines style, performance, and convenience, the HP 21.5-inch all-in-one desktop computer is a standout option. Designed for everyday tasks, business, education, and entertainment, this desktop packs a surprising amount of power into a compact, clutter-free design. At the heart of this system is the Intel Celeron J4025 processor, a dual-core CPU capable of handling daily computing tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, checking emails, attending video calls, or multitasking across multiple applications, this processor ensures smooth performance and reliable operation for home or office use. Paired with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, this HP all-in-one can handle multiple programs simultaneously, allowing you to work efficiently without experiencing lag. Meanwhile, the 1TB SSD ensures fast boot times, speedy file transfers, and ample storage for documents, multimedia, and applications. Upgrading your system is also straightforward if you need even more storage or performance in the future. The 21.5-inch Full HD anti-glare display is another highlight of this HP desktop. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, it delivers crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and sharp text. The anti-glare coating reduces eye strain, making it comfortable to work for long periods or watch your favorite shows. Its slim bezels provide an expansive viewing area, helping you focus on the content without distractions. The display supports everyday productivity, casual gaming, and streaming videos in clear, bright quality. This HP all-in-one also comes with Windows 11 Pro, providing a modern, secure, and user-friendly experience. With improved multitasking, enhanced security features, and virtual desktop support, it's designed to boost productivity for students, professionals, and families alike. Windows 11 Pro adds professional-level capabilities while maintaining an intuitive interface, making it easy for anyone to navigate. Connectivity is another area where this desktop shines. The system includes multiple ports to ensure compatibility with a variety of peripherals, 2 super-speed USB Type-A ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB 3.0 Type-C port, HDMI 1.4b, RJ, 45 Ethernet port, and an SD card reader. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more reliable wireless internet connections, along with Bluetooth 5.3, allowing you to connect wireless headphones, keyboards, mice, and other devices without the hassle of cables. This versatility ensures that whether you're working from home, attending online classes, or enjoying entertainment, you can connect all your essential devices seamlessly. In terms of design, the HP all-in-one keeps your workspace clean and organized. By integrating the computer components into the monitor, it saves significant desk space while maintaining a professional and minimalist look. The included keyboard and mouse are ergonomically designed for comfort during extended use, and the 720p webcam allows for clear video calls, making it ideal for remote work, virtual learning, or family video chats. Whether you're a student managing assignments, a professional balancing work from home, or a family looking for a reliable multimedia system, the HP 21.5-inch all-in-one desktop offers an ideal combination of performance, storage, connectivity, and display quality. It is a versatile solution that streamlines daily computing, enhances productivity, and provides an enjoyable experience for entertainment, all while maintaining a compact and stylish footprint. With HP's trusted build quality, this all-in-one desktop is both reliable and efficient, providing a long-lasting solution for your computing needs. For those seeking a desktop that handles everyday tasks smoothly while offering room to expand and upgrade, this HP all-in-one desktop is a smart choice that combines performance, functionality, and sleek design in one complete package.